everyone, good morning. So this video is about me showing you guys how I do my go-to work makeup look. So let's get started. So right now I have already prepped my skin with my toner, my serum and my moisturizer.
To get started, I will first prime my skin with this professional face primer from Benefit.
I'm so sorry about the echo, but right now I'm inside the bathroom. This is where I can get the best lighting. I even brought this chair in.
I'm just gonna apply the primer all over my face by concentrating on my T-zone. Remember, it is important to prime your skin before applying your foundation. Okay, moving on for foundation, I'll be using this IOPE Cushion XP in the shades of C23. This is Korean's product, which I got it from Korea last year.
I just want a foundation that set immediately. So
Pat it gently all over my face. And also drag it slightly down to my neck. This foundation has medium coverage and it is look natural. And it is able to cover up most of my redness but not to my blemishes. So I'm taking this concealer from Makeup Forever to cover up all those uncovered blemishes and pimple marks. I'm not sure which shades I'm using because the wordings is already faded. Well, I have been using this concealer like forever.
I'm just gonna leave the foundation to set for a while before I apply any powder.
Now for my eyebrow, I'm going to use this Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade. In shade of Granite. And with this ABH brows brush. Right, I'm just gonna go ahead with my eyeshadow. First, I will prime my eyelid with this Stay Don't Stray eyeshadow primer from Benefit.
Actually, I bought the wrong shade. It is too dark for me. But it's okay. I'm just gonna finish it.
For the eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this Sweet Peach eyeshadow palette from Too Faced. I love this palette so much. So okay, first I will set the eyeshadow primer that I just applied with a skin tone eyeshadow color. Then for the transition color, I'm taking this Georgia and applied it on my crease. Then I'm taking this shadow Fury and I'm gonna apply it along my crease as well. I'm just gonna like blend it with the Georgia color. For the next color, I'm going to take this caramelized shadow and just gonna apply it all over my eyelid. Here I am trying to create a simple and easy eye makeup look. Then I like to take a little bit of this Samyang shadow and blend it on my crease again. Blend it along my crease just to create that a little bit more depth. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna take this caramelized shadow again and just gonna apply it along my lower lash line and blend it, just blending it just like that. Okay, for the eyeliner, I'm gonna use this liquid liner from Maybelline, and I have to say that this is the best and super affordable eyeliner that I have ever purchased. Here I want to be honest with you guys. I am terrible at my eyeliner. no matter how much I practice. I think it's just one of those things I'm always going to be terrible at. I don't know, maybe I just need more practice, right?
I just got my wake up call.
Done with my eyeshadow, and now meet my best friend, my Falsy. I'm wearing this Elise fake lashes in code 7154. This is my favorite fake lashes. I swear, this is my favorite ever fake lashes. Okay, I'm not blessed with long lashes and my eye really look chinky without wearing my fake lashes. And yeah, I even feel like my face is naked if I'm not wearing them. They are just truly my best friend. Okay, wait. Tada! Can you see the difference? My eyes look bigger, right? Next, it is time for concealer. And I use this concealer from Maybelline. I'm just gonna apply this concealer directly under my eye, on my forehead, on my chin, and also on my nose bridge, and start blending it.
My favorite breakup song.
Keep blending by patting it gently.
For the powder, I'm gonna use this Kat Von D translucent powder.
This translucent powder is not really my favorite translucent powder. My favorite is the one from Laura Mercier. However, mine was finished, and when I went to the Sephora to get the new one, it was out of stock. So the sales girl, she recommended me to try this, and according to her, the texture is close to the Laura Mercier. However, I still prefer the Laura Mercier. Also, I'm gonna set my face with this MAC Press powder in Light Plus. Taking my kabuki brush and just apply it all over my face. I personally love this product. It is lightweight and lasts all day long. The matte finish is just amazing, and I don't have to worry about being looking oily at all. Now that I've done with the powder, I'm going to do contour. For that, I'm going to be using this Hoola bronzer from Benefit. Simply sweep it on my cheekbones. I'm just gonna do a little contour. I don't really want to have that, you know, that crazy dark color for contour. And yeah, that's me lip singing. On my forehead as well, just little sweep sweep.
Oh my god, I'm so thirsty.
Also, dusting that on my nose to make my nose look smaller or thinner. And yeah, that's me again, taking my sweet time. Never ask me why I'm taking a long time to do my makeup.
For the blush, I'm gonna use this. Into it. This color.
This is the affordable waterproof single blush in the code of 03, which is Indulge. I just apply it on the apple of my cheek. Then I'm taking my translucent powder and define my cheekbone. Actually, I'm just trying to create that contour line, if that makes sense. I don't know how to explain it. here comes my favorite part, guys. For highlight, I'm using the Balm's Manizer highlighting powder. I'm just gonna apply it on certain part of my face, on my nose, upper lip, tip of my chin, on the high point of my cheekbones. And yo, whoa, look at that glow, guys. I just can't get enough of it.
For the lower lash, I'm gonna take this lower lash from Benefit. I'm just gonna apply it on my lower lashes. That is what I do all the times.
Yeah, this is what I do all the times. I'm not gonna apply on my upper lash because I don't want to mess my fake lashes.
Oh my god. My lip mascara too. Okay, we are pretty much done. So right now, I'm gonna pop on my lip product. For the lips, before applying my lip cream, I'm just gonna apply my lip liner. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention that for the lip cream, I'm gonna use this lip cream from Kat Von D. It is the, if you guys can see, it is the Lolita one, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's the Lolita one.
Here I am highlighting the corner of my eyes. I almost forgot to do this. To really complete this makeup look, I'm taking the NYX Professional Makeup Setting Spray and spray it on my entire face to set my makeup in place so that it stays much longer.
So I'm done with my makeup, and right now I'm gonna do my hair and put my uniform on and be ready to go downstairs.
Okay, this is my finished look. Well, this is literally my go-to work makeup look. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, leave me a comment down below. So, thanks for watching and I shall see you next time. Bye!